Great. Hi there, friends. This is Sharon Rolfe with number 145 of the Queen of Courage, and I'm getting super bold today to reveal my secret sauce. And since I want you to, once you realize that you're getting older, aren't we all? That you decide that you want to make a marvelous transition into retirement. And I the secret sauce for me when I retired was happened to be about the same time that I retired in 2016. I started coaching school just the week before, and it wasn't until like 4, 5, 6 months later that I realized I was kind of bouncing off the wall. And how do I know if I'm productive? And I had made a wall hanging that I put on the wall here, and I know one day I came over and reviewed it 3 times, and I started realizing that when I lived from my inner spark, every day felt right. I want that for you. And so what I realized is that the I use my deep self knowledge, and the result is unshakable confidence because I'm living from what's originally inside of me. And one of those things, in fact, was I felt invisible most of my life. In fact, it was a strategy um, I intentionally adopted, because in our home there had been sexual abuse, and so being invisible was a safe thing, you know. Well, now that I'm retired, that doesn't apply anymore. And during my coaching classes, I came back and stomped my foot from after a lunch break and said, "It's not okay to be invisible." Where did that come from? And it's been an amazing journey ever since. So when my secret sauce is, when you start with what you love to do and add your personal qualities, and then your hot buttons, positive or negative, your aspirations, your values, and your guiding principles. We don't realize how important our values are, right? And a guiding principle, I remember, is where there's a will, there's a way. But when you wrap that all up in a nature metaphor, the result is endless joy from living what's inside of you. And my inner spark goes like this: I am precious jewel of wisdom. I'm colorful collaborator, motivator, and learner. I am tranquil, authentic, and pure inspirer. I light fires. I want to light your fire and would love to help you find out discover your inner spark in 90 days or less. I'm kind of in the process of writing a course, and if you would like to help me beta test that course, that would be great. So again, I'm Sharon Rolfe and my book is Fresh Cruiser Retirement, and I'm known on Instagram as Queen of Courage. Thanks for listening.